Okay, I don't think I can hide them anymore. I don't know what place. You got one. Don't see Penelope. Don't see. Shh. What happened? Penelope again. Go sit down. I'm not lying. Go sit down. Hold on. I don't know how to put this on. Close your eyes, Penelope. Well, I don't know how to hide this. Oh, perfect. One more. I can hide it where I could hide it. All right, what am I? Find your eggs. Go. Okay, I gotta find them. Oh, found one. Is there? Oh, found one too. Found three. I don't care. I have to win this challenge to get a new PS5. Okay. My mom told me I need this. So is there? Yeah. I think there's something. Is there something? No. There's something? Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Good. Bigger file. Teacher, you're so bad at this game. I already found. Do not! Hey, don't do that. Don't do that, girls. Sorry, missus. Where's more? Oh, I saw one. Get out of my way, Tom. Gotta get a new PS5. One more, and it's the gold one. The gold one? I haven't found the gold one. Get away, Tom. I'm having it. I don't think. I found it! Teacher, I have found it. Oh, wait. Teacher, give me a second. I have found it, yes! Good job. You get a PS5.